Dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. I'm your reporter Bersabet Taghla, and following are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations continue. Independence Day celebrations in the United Kingdom. Mexico raises alert level as volcano ejects smoke, ash and lava. And climate change causes 2 million deaths in 50 years. On your local reports, the leaders of India, Greece, Russia and Britain sent messages of congratulations in connection with the 32nd Independence Day anniversary. President of India, President Katerina of Greece, President of the Russian Federation, as well as King Charles III of the UK wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders of Russian Federation and India also expressed their country's readiness to develop and strengthen bilateral relations for the benefit of their countries and Eritrea. Nationals in various cities in the UK and Northern Ireland enthusiastically celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary under the theme Heroic Feat Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. The Independence Day celebrations that were conducted in the cities of London, Birmingham, Leeds, Sheffield, Nottingham, Leicester, Newcastle, Cardiff and Huddersfield were attended by a number of nationals and friends of Eritrea. The celebratory event in London was attended by over 6,000 nationals, as well as ambassadors and representatives of Kenya, Sudan, Ethiopia, Angola, Burundi, Ghana, Morocco, Guinea, Egypt, South Sudan, Tunisia, Libya, Mauritania, Cameroon, Gambia, Botswana, Russia, Cuba and Jamaica, as well as officials of the UK. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Stefanos Habtemariam, Eritrean ambassador to the UK and Northern Ireland, congratulating the people of Eritrea and its defence forces, explained on the deep meaning of the Independence Day anniversary. Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Mahmoud, chairman of the Eritrean community, and Mr. Mulubrahan Berhe, chairman of the Holidays Coordinating Community, on their part commended those that have contributed to the successful celebratory event. The occasion was highlighted by cultural and artistic programs depicting the day. Eritrean nationals in Ethiopia, South Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Austria and Germany celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal. At the colorful celebratory event, nationals in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, organized at the Millennium Hall, Mr. Binyam Berhe, chargé d'affaires at the Eritrean Embassy and Eritrea's permanent representative at the African Economic Commission, said that the Eritrean people, ensuring the safety, rather the sovereignty and honor of their country, are embarking in unison for the development and building of their country. Representing the Ethiopian government, Ambassador Fesha Shaul, head of African Affairs at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ethiopia, expressed his country's readiness to strengthen partnership and cooperation for the mutual interest and development of the two countries. The event was highlighted by cultural and artistic performances by Sibrit cultural troupe from Eritrea. Similarly, nationals in South Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Austria and Germany enthusiastically celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the theme Heroic Feat Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. On your last local news, financial and material support has been extended to the National Association of Eritrean War Disabled Veterans. According to the report, members of the association in Atlanta, the U.S., contributed medical supplies worth $20,000 to the National Association of Eritrean War Disabled Veterans, while members of Liberation Fighters Association in the U.S. contributed $10,000 in support of women disabled veterans in Denden camp. At the handing over ceremony organized on 19 May at the office of the National Association, Dr. Samuel Zerai from the U.S. expressed his expectation that the support extended will contribute in the daily activities of the disabled veterans. Representative of the Liberation Fighters Association in the U.S., Ms. Fraweni Nagash, on her part expressed readiness of the association to support women disabled veterans. Mr. Mohammed Noor Idris, representative of the National Association, commending the initiative that the Nationals took to support war-disabled veterans, called on others to follow the noble example. In the same vein, Norway branch of the National Association of Eritrean War-Disabled Veterans contributed 180,000 NAFA to the National Association. Likewise, Eritrean nationals in Mainz, Frankfurt and Byron contributed 75,000 euros to the National Association of Eritrean War-Disabled Veterans. Still to come here on ERi-TV is your international reports after the short break. Welcome back. Mexican authorities on Sunday raised the warning level for the Popocatepet volcano to one step below the red alert as smoke, ash and molten rock spewed into the sky, posing risks to aviation and far-flung communities below. The volcano, located in central Mexico, is considered one of the most dangerous in the world because some 25 million people live within a 100-kilometer radius. The yellow warning means remain alert and prepare for a possible evacuation. This is according to the warning system developed by Mexico's National Disaster Prevention Center. The yellow phase 3 activated Sunday means intermediate to high activity and is triggered when the volcano shows expulsions of increased intensity, expelling incandescent fragments. Popocatepet, which has not had a massive eruptions in more than a millennium, became active again in 1994 and has seen periods of increased activity ever since. On your final report, extreme weather has caused the deaths of 2 million people and $4.3 trillion in economic damage over the past half a century. This is according to a report by the United Nations. According to the new figures published on Monday from the UN World Meteorological Organization, 11,778 weather-related disasters have occurred from 1970 to 2021, and they have surged over that period. The report found that more than 90% of the deaths reported worldwide due to these disasters took place in developing countries. In a 2021 report covering disaster-linked deaths and losses from 1917 to 2019, the agency had pointed out that at the beginning of the period, the world saw more than 50,000 such deaths each year. By the 2010s, the disaster death toll had dropped to below 20,000 annually. And in the update of that report, the World Meteorological Organization said on Monday that 22,608 disaster deaths were recorded globally in 2020 and 2021 combined. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations continue. Independence Day celebrations in the United Kingdom. Mexico raises alert level as volcano ejects smoke, ash and lava. And climate change causes 2 million deaths in 50 years. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.